Kingston.
Fellowship are both down. The price of fellowship.
What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. So for today, guys, we're at a cookout. Yeah, some real Jamaican food and stuff. And we're in Kingston, and we're going to support a friend, Bulbie Soups. So just come on with us. We could enjoy some food, some good food, and all these things. Now today I have a guest. She's my friend. Say hi, friend.
Hello, kitchen gangers.
Yeah, I'm like her. That's my friend, guys. So she'll be journey on. She will be coming. Sinead will be hopping with us today. So let's go.
Cookouts are a usual thing or event in Jamaica. So today we decided to do something a bit different.
Yeah.
And take you guys along with us to one of
A friend. Yeah.
he's
So-
well known in Kingston in the corporate area for
Yeah.
soup. Yeah. Soup chef.
Yeah.
So if you need good soup, you can visit Bulbie in Halfway. So today we went to his cookout and this is what happened.
A bit excitement and so this is me, this is my friend Renee, and that is Chanel. Yes, Shen. So Renee's having fried fish with some potato salad, plantain, festival, and bami, while I'm doing curried conch with the same side with some raw veg, and Sinead is having jerked chicken with the same side. So festival, bami, potato salad, and plantain. They were also serving butter garlic lobster. They had other sides, so you could get rice and peas, you could get fries. So there were quite a few options. They had turned cornmeal. So yeah, it was a whole vibe. What I really loved and enjoyed about the whole thing is that before we got there, the food was all prepared, ready and waiting. Like we called from minutes after 10 o'clock. We got there before 12 o'clock and Bud was like, oh no, come on, everything ready and waiting to be served and all of that. They also offered delivery service across Kingston, so persons could have gotten their food for lunchtime. So it was a good vibe, and it was good that we got our food hot. So I enjoyed that part of it. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys! Sun is about to hit again. Let us show you. Let's show you the hit. The sun. No man.
It is the sun for me.
The sun.
The sun for me. So anyways guys, this wasn't our restaurant hop, it was just a cookout, but we're still going to give you our reviews of the food. So Moya?
So I had curried conch. It would be my first time having conch that way. I would have had it in soup, and I think it was very, very good, very tasty. Seasoned really well. We could not tell her which curry better for curry. And I think it was very good. Like and I had it with festival, bami, and plantain. And the bami and plantain, it was well done. As you know, plantain tend to complement the flavor of just about anything. So it was very good. I really enjoyed it. The soup, as usual, it is Bulbie soup. So that in itself, it was just so good. We had, I think it was fish tea. You get all sorts of things in there, and it was nice, like nice. you know, chilling and all of that. Supporting. Because support is everything. Yeah.
So Moya, Chef Moya Moy was featured in today's Gleaner. So please, you can get your copy tomorrow.
Yeah, or after. Yeah.
So go ahead and look at Moya's recipe.
Or rum cream dalgona, coffee dalgona. It's very good. So you need to try it. I'm going to show. Yeah. Show them, ready? Yeah, I'm afraid. See you guys.
Chef Moya Moy's. Yes, so guys, we celebrate our small wins,
of course. So guys, I think that's where we're going to have our little motivation for somebody today. So let me give you a little backstory about how I got a feature art, how it all happened. So I think it was last year, my friend Judale, big up to Judale, Jids, who sent me a link on Instagram to do a tasty cheese competition. So I joined the competition. Renee came over, assisted me and all of that. She was a she was the taster for that meal prepared. However, I didn't win the competition because I think it was about the amount of likes and all of that. I didn't win the competition. However, the chef so Tasty Cheese chef reached out to me and he was saying he loved my YouTube channel and he was just encouraging and all of that. So I think a few weeks ago he reached out to me also asking me if I have ever been featured in the Easter cookbooks for the local newspaper in Jamaica. So I said no. So he's like, okay, I would like to give you the opportunity. So all you have to do is just send me some recipes, your name, your information, and all of that detail. And I'm like, this is going to be such a great opportunity. It has always been a dream of mine just to be featured, and I think it's a big deal because a whole lot of persons would love the opportunity. So although I did not win the competition, and next few months later a next opportunity presented itself, and I mean the Gleaner is sold across Jamaica, so it is just a proud moment. It is just a everything moment, the excitement, and the support has been so real and so good. Like when you look at on Instagram, the amount of message me get on Instagram, WhatsApp, and all of them something. But my little reminder to somebody out there is to never ever ever give up on your dreams. Like, don't stop doing what you love. Like, one day somebody will see it and recognize it, because I mean the chef could have reached out to the person who won the competition or the persons who would have gotten the most likes and all of that, but no, he looked beyond all of that, reached out, and he actually started a whole culinary circle where he got chefs from across Jamaica for us just to support each other. So when an opportunity comes, we can just notify each other. And I think that is just so good. So don't stop, don't ever stop. And I think all of this ties in also with humility. And Sinead, favorite artist, what you say? When with humility comes growth. Yeah. You understand? Growth is a must. When you're humble, you will see the growth and all of that. And I just hope you guys are encouraged today. Don't stop. Anything to add, guys?
Congrats. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
You said it all.
But be encouraged, guys. Take it one day at a time. I always tell them that. You understand? Don't give up on a dream. You can do it. And if you feel like I just treat somebody I see your work or whatever, it's true, you know. I don't have a big followership on Instagram.
Followership or both? Friends of followership.
A followership already. I don't have a community. Large community.
Yes.
Baby.
I don't have a large community. Yeah, let me just say that. Go again. So I want to encourage
So guys, it's just I just want to encourage somebody. I'm missing me encouraging already, but me just want encouraging again. Just don't give up. For me, I don't have a large community on Instagram. You understand? But over the weeks and the time and all of that, it's just the few persons that I have, right? The support has been just so real. You understand? And you just have to find your little group and your little tribe and your little, you understand? Support group who will push you. And you have those persons, you know, it's just to ensure that you're hanging on to them and just take it easy and don't give up on your dream.
But I always say too, it's not the amount of followers you have, it's the impact.
The impact, that is so true.
So, one day thing. I'm encouraged.
I'm encouraged.
Ali.
But that's it, guys. So people, guess what? Today I'll be doing a advertisement for chicken and Tings. You know, if you're Jamaican and if you're from Kingston, probably you would have heard about chicken and Tings before. So they're currently doing some promotion and stuff for their social media page, and a friend of mine reached out and she's like, how about you like to be a part of this project that we're working on? And I'm like, sure, not a problem. So I am here, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit behind the scene of what will be happening, and I'll keep you guys posted, so stay tuned. So I did my little makeup already. I got a little makeup done. As you all know, I'm not a makeup person, not like but I told her to be very light as possible, and I think she did good. I just wanted powder and stuff to kind of get the shine off my face. So yeah, I'm going to get my lippy done when I am on location. I'm getting excited. You see what I tell you guys? Don't ever stop what you're doing. So because I'm doing this restaurant hop for you guys, somebody reached out to me and they're like, I realize you've been doing this restaurant hop, so why not do this? And it is going to be something similar as a restaurant hop basically. So continue doing what you love.
Start shooting.
Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Welcome to Moya Moy Station, where cooking is love-made edible. So I've had chicken and Tings on my restaurant list for a while now, and finally we're going to go there today. So let's go, guys! Behind the scenes with my camera woman.
Alright, that'll do. Alright. That's awesome.
So far, we've been having a good time on the shoot. What I love about it, it feels natural. It doesn't feel pressured, like I got the script and everything is flowing well so far. So I'm really enjoying it. And the photographers and videographers are really easy to work with. And we don't have to be doing many takes. So I like that. I love that. Let's go, guys! I miss Remy. Yes! People say one day night video shoot. Yes.
bad boy Cologne Boss. You see? You need to check out my YouTube channel, Nico Cologne Boss. Get there and don't wait till next year. We start boom. See?
Yeah.
So, Cologne.
Them say them love my size. Look at my size.
That's just sad.
Look at my size.
Yes.
17 and a half. You see? Bouncy.
Yes.
Okay, with them nice, pretty sexy ladies here. See? Look how she look like neat.
Yeah.
I put them on the dashboard already. Wow.
I can't bother. People cannot.
Next
Cannot.
time I'm gonna make a sign something before.
Subscribe to my channel, Nico Cologne Boss.
Right now, and I can't wait to have lunch. So let's go. So guys, I ordered Barbie fried chicken with rice and peas and a serving of plantain and raw veg.
Guys, this is so good. No joke. No cap.
Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining until the end. Big up your nice clean self, and guys, if you have not done so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Tell a friend.
To tell a friend,
To tell another friend.
so that friend,
Can tell a friend.
yes, and we also support the thing. And guys, remember that we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers by the end of April. So make it happen, guys. Just click the red button down below. You understand? Do. And that's it for today. Until then, goodbye.